back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a video sponsored by UniceHair. Thank you guys for sending me over this wig unit. So let's go ahead and start with the specs, you guys. They sent me over their Kinky straight wig in 150% density. Also, it's in 24 inches, and this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. So I do want to let you guys know that I did go ahead and bleach the knots on my wig unit, and I also added the foundation under my lace or under my wig, and that's how it looks so good, you guys. It's just really good lace. I absolutely love the lace. I'm not sure if it's HD or I don't know. I know that it's glueless, but I'm not sure what type of lace it is, but it's really good. So I am basically going to be showing you guys this whole process of me putting on my wig unit. I know you guys was going to have a lot of questions because I felt like it came out really cute. So I just made sure that I put very specific clips in this video so that you guys could, do this tutorial at home with your kinky straight wigs. I'm showing you guys today basically like the flip over method with the kinky straight wig unit, and basically how to get it to look really natural and things of that such. It did come with a bit of plucking, but that's just what you have to do if you want a really natural hairline. So yeah, this was actually a pretty easy install for me, you guys, but when I went to curl it, I did have to take a little bit more time because this is kinky straight hair. Although it is 150% density, it's a lot of hair, you guys. So I did have to sit and take my time to curl my hair, but I'll come back when I'm starting to curl so I can talk to you guys about that. You guys a little bit more styling that you can do with your kinky straight wig. I always like to wear it like flipped over, you guys. You don't necessarily have to part it, down the middle or actually have a part showing. You can always just flip it over so that it can look as if it's our natural hair. I think it looks really good. So I'm just showing you guys the left flip over and then the right flip over. And then I also just wanted to show you guys the hairline as well. So I didn't do a half up, half down with this, you guys, but I did pull my hair up so that you guys could see how it looks. The hairline with the plucking that I did and how the lace looks really well, you guys. And also this is before the baby hair. So let me know down below what you guys think. of the lace and the look without the baby hairs, the hairline, let me know down below. So I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my hair pretty much to curl it. I was dreading this so much because curling kinky straight hair is just a lot, you guys, but I'm just going to part my hair. So when I part my hair, I'm a lefty. I like right sometimes, but I'm normally every day, all the time, a lefty. So I'm just parting my hair on the left, you guys. I'm honestly not even going to be showing the parting because I want it to look like it's kind of like flipped over, but I also wanted to have some structure. So yeah, I am going to be using this hot tool today. You guys can make sure that you shop my Amazon storefront for all of the hot tools and products and things of that such that I use in all of my hair videos down below. Also for Black Friday as well, I have some really good deals. So I'm using this. It's one of my wand curlers that I like using when I want really fluffy hair. It's one of those flat wand curlers, as you guys could see. And listen, this wand curler, if you know about it, it's like amazing. So the key with kinky straight hair, if you want it to hold a curl, to basically part your sections very small. So with this look, it took me probably about 30 minutes or so to wand curl this whole head of mine, and you guys are going to see me basically get it really perfect like you saw in the beginning of the video. But other than that, you guys, this was pretty simple. As you guys could see with the technique that I'm using with this wand curler, I am laying the hair flat on the wand curler. I'm not twisting it because I don't want wand curls. I want kind of like pin curls, you know. So make sure when you're wrapping your hair around your wand curlers to basically lay it flat because you get a different type of curl. So yeah, other than that, you guys, I loved it. I loved it with the texture peeking through as well. I didn't want to get too much heat on it. I wanted to get just enough because, again, I was dreading curling this hair. But I wanted to show you guys something different. I always feel like I come with kinky straight with its natural texture, but I just want to show you guys something different. So anyways, let me know what you guys think down below of the final look. I think it's so cute. I love the length. I didn't really cut a lot of length off of it either, you guys. It's just that I curled it really tight. Just trying to give you guys a little bit more versatility with your kinky straight wig units. Let me know down below if you like the kinky straight wigs. Do you like curling your wig units? What is it that you like to do? I would love to know. And also, I am loving the Big Sexy hair product. I bought it for travel. So I had like this travel size product, and then I ended up buying the whole can. So it's about $17. I love holding spray, especially when I have like curls and I need my hair to stay. I just spray my hair down, like spray it down. So I'm loving that product. You guys will see it down at the bottom. But that's all that I have for you guys today. Again, make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the wig. I think it came out really cute. You guys know I love this hair. You guys know I love bouncy hair. But anyways, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.